Hey guys, so I am sitting here in Harrison Hot Springs in British Columbia, and I am on the balcony of my hotel room right now, and this was a spur of the moment decision to come here on a Monday afternoon. We just booked this hotel last minute, and now we're able to come here, hang out, and not have to worry about working because I didn't do any work today, and I had the ability to just come here because Amazon is running my business basically with the FBA program. If you guys don't know too much about that, then make sure you check out my other videos where I explain it a lot more. But basically they fulfill all my orders for me, and I'm doing 100% FBA this year, so I'm not doing any more FBM orders, where FBM it's a lot more labor intensive because you have to be preparing and shipping all the orders to the customers, whereas this way Amazon takes care of that and they take care of all of the customer service. So I have virtual assistants working for me, so that helps cut down my workload, and I basically don't work too much anymore, and I'm able to focus on other things and growing my YouTube channel and growing other parts of my business and not having to focus on Amazon FBA as much, even though Amazon FBA generates significantly more money than any of my other businesses, and I don't work on it very much at all. So that's an awesome thing about selling on Amazon FBA and growing your own business, being an entrepreneur, is that you're able to live life on your own terms. You're able to travel like this and just come and stay in like a nice suite like this, and actually very reasonably priced here in Harrison, but it's kind of the off season right now because it's just going into spring, but it's still a nice view and a good place to come hang out for the night. So that's what I'm doing today, and I just want to make more lifestyle videos and kind of show you what you're able to do when you sell on Amazon and once you get to this point where you're at over 7 figures in revenue per year. And I just got actually paid by Amazon today. It came to just over $68,000 US from Amazon, and that was from my Amazon.com sales for the last 2 weeks. So that translates into just over $90,000 Canadian. So that's going to be a nice paycheck when I get that. It comes into my account on Wednesday, and then from Wednesday to Monday I transfer the funds using Knightsbridge FX. I made a video on them before, so if you're interested in converting money, US dollars to Canadian dollars with a lower commission, then make sure you check that video out because Knightsbridge is a great way to do that, and you can save a lot on commission. So then next Monday is when I'll actually get the money, because the US dollars come into my account and then I transfer that to Canadian dollars, and then once I get those Canadian dollars at around just over 90,000, then I buy more inventory, and I'm constantly reinvesting that money into additional inventory to grow my business and to essentially get more profit. So that's kind of what I do when I get paid, like on a day like this. I'll wait for it to come in my account on Wednesday, and then I convert it into Canadian dollars and then buy more inventory. So yeah, this is kind of just a quick video on kind of lifestyle and what you're able to achieve when you do sell on Amazon FBA and grow your business to this point where you're making over $1 million in sales per year. And like I said in previous videos, I'm probably going to hit over $2 million in sales this year because my business constantly is growing and I use the online arbitrage business model. So if you are interested in learning more about Amazon FBA and selling using the online arbitrage business model, then make sure you check out my other videos, and I'll put a link in the description below for my course where you can learn a step-by-step way on how to sell on Amazon FBA. So thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.